What's going on YouTube? I'm the Daily Grind Trader, and today in 5 minutes or less I'm going to try to give you a breakdown of change of character trading. Guys, if you're new or if you've been struggling to trade successfully, this is going to be the most important 5 minutes I could ever share with you. So we're going to hop right into the chart. We're going to use H-bar as our example. Now H-bar, I've got this in replay mode. You're looking at H-bar. In the beginning of the year, almost every altcoin jumped crazily. Everything went way up, and you see this long uptrend. Now what we have here, because of that, and this is what you've really got to look forward to, or you really got to look at to find, is a fair value gap. And a fair value gap is where price has gone so quickly in one direction. Well, this is a buy side fair value gap. That means that there was a buying imbalance. There were so many buy orders, the price kept going up, and there weren't enough sell orders to level out the price. And there was only buy side here. No wick back down, no wick up in the beginning that got sold back down. So it was a sell side deficiency, and price will want to come back and fill that gap. Now here on June 10th, you see that price wicked back down into that zone and hit just about cleared that entire zone there. So that fair value gap has been met. And look, we're in an uptrend on a daily chart. Obviously there was an uptrend, and this fair value gap, as long as this holds, we are just in a very big area of discount right now. The price is extremely discounted from the top back near the bottom, over 79% discount. So we're looking in here, we're looking for a buy area here. Now we're going to hop into the hourly chart. There's a multi-time frame evaluation. We're looking at the hourly, and on the hourly we can now see that we had a high, this low, we had this high, and this high did not make there was not a high after this one before this lowest low that happened. So that's our area to check, and this is going to require patience, people. Patience. This is going to be over the course of about 20 days to watch this trade on the hourly chart. You don't have to watch the whole time. Hit an alert here. You see this line? Put an alert on this line. Got it. Oops, we're in replay mode, so it won't work here for me, but you hit that alarm and you go. Now we're on a 10x the speed, and we're going to have this go through, and you'll get an alert on your phone or on your laptop or whatever you're using when this high gets breached. We want to see this high get breached. Right now it's just all consolidation. This is the area you don't want to be trading in, because this is all consolidation. There's no new high, there's no new low, and you don't know yet which way the price is going to break. We're looking for the upside because we are already in a discounted zone. That's why we're looking for upside, and there's our break there. And it's just a little break, but it did break that high. That's a new high. And what we have here is that we created, because this high happened with a strong push, we have a fair value gap from this wick here to that wick low. There's a fair value gap, and that's going to be our entry point. We're going to be looking to enter on the retest of this fair value gap, and we're going to let this play through again. We're going to, at this point, you can just set a limit order, just a limit order at 4.667 or 4.668, and it'll fill when price comes back down, because price is going to want to come back down and fill that fair value gap. This is how we run this, and we're watching this go. We're going to watch it go until it fills, because I'm pretty sure it's going to fill. And you see we had made a higher high, and now we have higher high with displacement. That was a very strong higher high at that point. But price always wants to come back, not guaranteed, but typically wants to come back and fill those imbalances. So now we put a long position here. Remember, right now we're doing this on the hourly chart for our sniper style entry, but this is a daily time frame trade. So we're going to zoom this way back out. We're going to move this up. We're going to move this up on the daily. We're going to be looking to hit our previous high, or get very close to our previous high. And let's put it here where it hit multiple times. That's a 94% gain with a 14.5% stop loss. And with that, you're not going to want to put high leverage on this because of how strong the stop, or how wide the stop loss is. But we're going to run through here. You see we just barely wick through, so that's why you don't put the stop loss there. And as of right now, this is going to end here on today, and we are in a slight profit. And you can watch this trade play out further, and you can keep an eye on this yourself. And I'm not going to make 5 minutes. We're slightly over 5 minutes, but I hope you got this. Change of structure or change of character on the smaller time frame is a great way to understand where your best zones to buy or sell are going to be. So I hope you enjoyed. As always, until next time, peace.